y'all, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be doing a product review and demo, and by surprise, maybe to some of you, if you didn't watch my most recent video, you guys know that I have been trying out some Amika products. And today I'm going to be trying out an Amika styling product. This is the Amika Curl Corpse Defining Cream. I wanted to get the gel also, but I got this from my local Om Stromer Call, and my Om Stromer Call did not have the gel. So today we're going to be trying out the styling cream. I'm not going to judge it too harshly, because if you know me, you know I am a gel girl through and through. I love a hold, I love a crunch, but with this, I am just looking for definition. I'm looking for softness. I'm looking for wearability, all that. Okay, so I'm not going to judge it too hard on hold, because I know this is not a gel. So let's read the back of the packaging and see what it's saying. Okay, so it says, get curls into formation with a smooth and controlled cream that coaxes curls to keep them from frizzing, splitting, or sagging. So to use it, you gently work the product through damp or dry curls from roots to ends. Okay, so right here my hair is freshly blow dried. As you can see, it was a very good blow dry. Like, my mom did what she had to do. She did it this time and it looks amazing. So my hair is going to be fully dry. I don't really want to dampen it back up, because today I'm going to be doing band 2 knots and I want my hair to be stretched out. I want a really pretty wave. So I'm going to see what this product does for me. I also have my favorite almond avocado curl enhancing mousse. I think I might try to pair these two together, because I don't want to use it by itself and then dislike it without using it with my go-to product. Okay, because I use products in combination. I'll never use one product unless it's this mousse right here. I love my Design Essentials Curl Enhancing Mousse. I'm never going to use anything else by itself. I'm always going to use it tandem with something else. So I think that is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use both of those. I have my rat tail comb, I have my rubber bands. Would it be a Michaela Janae video if I didn't forget something? Of course not. I forgot some clips. I'm going to need to clip my hair. I might just use a scrunchie, but either way, I don't have that on my table. So let me go get a scrunchie. Okay, so a scrunchie was the closest thing to me. So we're going to be scrunching my hair to keep the sections neat. I'm also going to put Amika's claims on the screen right here if they say anything different on their website. I do appreciate that this is like a squeeze bottle and it's not a container that I have to dig my hands into. This makes it really functional to use in a salon, because I don't like to keep digging my hands in things that I place on other clients' heads. So that is really nice. Let's talk about smell. I know a lot of Amika's products smell really good. This smells good. Most of their products smell kind of similar, and this is smelling like the Wizard to me, which I will be doing a review on the Wizard. So we're going to get into it. I'm also filming a reel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm filming this cute Alicia Keys inspired reel, hence my braids. Like, I'm loving the braids. I'm loving the braids. So during this video I'm going to be filming that also, so I'm trying to do a lot. Just bear with me. Let me start my reel off and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, I filmed the first part of my reel, but I'm first going to start off by sectioning ear to ear, because I don't need my band 2 knots super duper small or anything. I'm just going to section off ear to ear. Put the rest of my hair in a ponytail. Did I already mention that I love my braids? I think I did. We're going to talk about it again though. Okay, so I have like this section right here. It is a pretty big section, but I want my waves to be like loose. I don't want them too small. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some of this, put it in my hand. It's kind of thick. I like that. Like I said, it smells like all their other products, and it's not too wet, so I do appreciate that too. So I'm just gonna put this in my hair. I'm not gonna apply too much to where it's wet or anything. I'm just gonna work that in. I am gonna put 1 pump of my mousse just for some hold, just for some hold, okay? Just for some hold. That's it. It shouldn't be enough to disturb what I got going on, okay? I am going to like a food festival this weekend, and I had this hairstyle in mind, so I'm very excited about that. Okay, I'm just gonna put a rubber band. Try not to put your band 2 knots too tight, especially if you plan on sleeping in it. Oh, that's not a comfortable feeling at all. So now I'm gonna move on to my next section. I'm only using like quarter size amounts. Okay, so my next section is about this big, and I move all this out the way. I'm gonna take another good little bit, like just that much, not too much at all. I'm not putting it too close to the roots because I'm really focusing on the ends I probably will use this product also on wet hair, so no matter what I say, know that I'm going to do another video trying it on my wet hair. I just don't do a lot of wet styling. I mainly do a lot of styles from blow dry, so that's why I'm trying it out like this first, because this is my norm. But if your norm is to wet style your hair, definitely try it out on wet hair. Okay, so I just put a little bit of the foam, and now I am twisting. I go kind of far down, and I'm making sure I'm twisting all the way to the ends, because I hate when I do bantu knots and my ends don't get included or they just stay straight. So that's a pretty cute bantu knot. It's pretty perfect. So now I'm gonna go to the back of my head, do the same thing. I'm doing like 3 to 4 inch sections. So I'm only going to get 3 out of this row, because I actually don't want them super small. Like I said before, I want them to be kind of big and fluffy. And this is a 6-ounce bottle, and this bottle ran me about $16. So one thing about Amika, they're not the cheapest brand. You know, they're not going to be a budget friendly product. So if you are somebody who does want your products to be a little bit cheaper, this is not the product for you. Okay, this is a professional product. They do sell to the public, I believe. So if it's $16 for me as a licensed professional, if you guys did not know, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, then it's gonna be like $25 for you. So I don't know if $25 for only a 6-ounce product is a reasonable price. Like, that's one thing that Amika always gets me on, is the price. I can't wholeheartedly recommend it to you guys, being that it is so expensive. You gotta be a certain type of person willing to invest that much in a styling product, or the product has to be really, really worth it. So we're gonna see. This product may be really, really worth it. Some of Amika's products are worth their price for sure. We just gotta find out what they are, okay? So this is my last section on this row. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I do like the consistency of it. Let me make sure I grab all the hair, combing that through. And like I said, I'm not putting it on my roots because I'm not really trying to wet up my roots. And I'm probably gonna leave these in for like 2 days. Today is Monday. I'm probably not gonna take them out until Wednesday, so they might be a little flat because I am going to sleep on these, but I want them to really be in there because I don't think I'm going to set underneath the dryer. I might, but I might not. So I'm going to leave them in for a good little minute. All right, y'all, so this style is officially almost complete. So far, I loved it. It's a pretty good moisturizer. I felt it saturating into my hair. We're going to see how it does with curl definition and hold and all that good stuff. But so far, so good. I just did a few bantu knots. I threw them in there. I would love to try this on a twist out, of course. Braid out, of course, coming soon. But today I want to do a bantu knot. I haven't done one in a while, so I want to come on here and show you guys. So I'm going to see you guys in a few days when I'm ready to take these out. Hey y'all, I am back. It is a few days later. I'm in the same robe because I'm filming another reel. Don't judge, but I'm back and I already started taking loose a few of them and I'm in love so far. I do have some Blue Magic grease on my hands because I don't like to take loose my hair with dry hands. Today is Friday, so these things have been in literally for 2 days and it feels like it has a really good hold on the bantu knot so far. I'm very excited about that. The first night it was very hard to sleep in this, but as time went on it got easier and easier because I basically was just flattening them, so it wasn't that hard to sleep on it anymore. As you can see, I am in the middle of doing my makeup. I've also gotten so many compliments on the front of my braids and stuff, so please let me know if you guys are interested in how I did this little style. I can definitely do a video tutorial showing you guys how I did that. Okay, so look at that. Look at that, they're so cute. And look at that shine. Okay, this is how it's looking. So now I'm just gonna take them loose a little bit. It is so moisturized. Okay, so like I said, right now I'm feeling a hold. I am feeling a hold. It's a soft hold. It's not anything crunchy or anything, but it is really shiny and it feels moisturized. Like, look at that. It's so perfect. And the bigger or the smaller you do them depends on how your results are going to come out. And then you got to make sure when you're doing bantu knots that you like really secure your ends, because a few of my ends I didn't secure well, so that's why a few of the ends are a little frizzy because it wasn't in the bantu knot the whole time. So I'm not going to attribute that to the product or anything. That was a me thing. So you already know I like to try things out for a few days. So I'm gonna even come back another day and let you know how this product lasts. But right now, just taking it loose. Like I said, I don't want to take it loose too much today because it is gloomy outside. It is a little rainy, so I'm not trying to go crazy taking it loose. Oh yeah, that Amika still smells very strong in my hair. I smell it. Here's the finished makeup. Very cute. I don't think it's going to match my top because I went overboard as always, but I'm loving the hair. So let's talk about it. Right now Amika is giving 10 out of 10. I feel hold, I see shine, and I feel moisture. You know, sometimes when you're using a styling product and it has a lot of alcohol in it, it dries out the hair a little bit, and that's what gives it that crunch. I'm not getting a crunch, even though sometimes I love a crunch. I'm not getting a crunch. I'm feeling a hold. The hair products has my hair smelling amazing. It feels amazing, and my hair feels moisturized. Amika did its thing. I definitely will, as of this day, y'all remind me, I want to get the gel because I want to use these together and try a wash and go or try a 2-strand twist out and really see. But so far for a style like this, I'm loving this Amika curl enhancing cream. So far amazing. So I'm going to come back tomorrow and let you guys know my final thoughts. Okay, so like I was saying, today is Thursday and I did my hair on like last Thursday or Friday, so it lasted me a very long time. The curls are definitely staying in formation. I'm just ready to wash again because of the frizz due to me not wearing my bonnet properly. But my hair is not tangled at all. Like the only part that's tangled is like where I sleep right here in the back, so I'm not gonna turn around. But the sides are good. Like I could comb this out with no problem. It left my hair as manageable as it was when I first blow dried it, because you remember I said I did a really good blow dry. It didn't tangle it up. It didn't have it like too wet, and that's what I appreciate about a cream. Whenever I use my gels and my foams, you know, it's basically re-wetting it. But I like this for a style like Bantu knots. Yeah, I might even try this on some rollers or some flexi rods one time and see what it is, see what it's hitting for. But so far, I like this product. It did me okay. I love how the smell lingered in my hair. I love that it didn't wet my hair up too much, and it really gave it some moisture. So I appreciate Amika. This is my first product that I will just go ahead and give a 10 out of 10. I have no complaints. I will be trying the gel very soon because that's where I'm really going to be testing it out, because I'm a gel girl, as I keep saying. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Yes, I'm recording this on my phone. That's why the lighting is crazy, but I'm like, let me hop out of bed and record this video so we can wrap this up, and then we're going to be on to the next product. Okay, it's officially November. It's November 2nd right now. So I will see you guys for more fun videos in this month of November.